Going to Greece. Excited for Greece? Next stop, Athens. We made it! First time in Greece.
What?
We had about a 3-hour flight from Barcelona. Just gonna pick up our luggage and get our taxi ride to our Airbnb. It's about 4 o'clock on Monday.
I think it's 5.
So we still have half the day. Just got to our Airbnb. This is home for the next 2 nights. Really cute. Living room. And our bed. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Kind of exhausted from traveling, but it's already 5 o'clock, so we should get ready and go exploring. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You want a close up? Is that what you said? You want a close up?
No.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go to a hotel that's like a 3-minute walk that our host recommended that has a really nice view of the Acropolis. How's your first drink in Athens, baby?
Minty.
Minty, yeah?
Tastes like black licorice.
Oh yeah, that's right. What did you order again?
I don't even know. Something with ouzo.
Yeah, our driver from the airport recommended the ouzo. So he ordered a drink off the menu that had it in it, and it does taste like a black licorice.
I don't like black licorice.
You don't? We could switch, babe.
No, it's okay.
I got a signature Moscow Mule. Has cucumber in it. It's delicious. Cheers. Yama.
Speaking Greek already.
We're at Plaka now. Bunch of restaurants and shops, apparently. So, gonna have to pick up a souvenir.
That's right.
Before we head to Mykonos in 2 days.
Do a little eating.
Oh yeah, baby. Just looking for a restaurant to have a quick, well not quick, but have a nice dinner and a drink. Got a local beer, baby.
It is. Local Greek beer on draft.
Your first local Greek beer. And I got a dark local beer. Cheers. Yamas. Alright, well, not your typical gyro, but I think it's like build it yourself. Alright, you got the chicken gyro and you got pork, right?
That's right.
Pork gyro. First gyro of the trip. First of many gyros. Came back to Point Rooftop Bar, and this time you got
Gimlet.
a gimlet. Classy, baby. And I got their old fashioned. Doing our laundry in Athens before our Acropolis tour. Life of a traveler. Yamas.
Perfect.
sorbet.
I love it. It's very informative.
What you learn?
Interesting. Athens was a virgin, or Athena was a virgin, right?
That's all you know?
We're about to learn about the erection.
Yeah, exactly.
I got moussaka for the first time, and you got
Some beef stew.
yeah, beef stew.
Recommended.
Yamas. So we clearly didn't like our lunch. Just kidding. It was so delicious. We even licked the plate.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. There's a guy over there selling fake Louis and Gucci name brand stuff, and I want to get a belt, but
Maybe it's real. How do you know?
yeah, right, real fake. I don't know. So anyway, I like want to buy something fake, but then I'm also just kind of like, oh no, I don't know if I should. But anyway, they had so much in Barcelona, but I couldn't bring myself to buy anything. I've never owned anything fake because I'm just not a fake bitch, you know? But anyway, talk to you later. Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Huh?
Don't act like you're upset about it. What you got?
Peanut butter. Chocolate.
Peanut butter?
Mm-hmm.
Got peanut butter. And I got a sorbet, mango sorbet, and chocolate.
Mango sorbet and it was like a chocolate gelato or something,
Yeah,
right?
mango. They're both sorbets. My baby got me some jewelry. Just got back from some more sightseeing, and I had to take my hair out of that ponytail because it was giving me a headache. We stopped by the grocery market to get some water and some Greek beer. And then babe got an energy drink for tomorrow morning because we take the ferry at 7 a.m. to Mykonos, which we're super excited for. Going to Mykonos. Finally, baby. Where all your dreams come true.